Perodua's first ever sedan just got that much more affordable with the launch of this 1-litre GXtra Bezza. And here are 5 things you need to know about this new variant. The new 1-litre GXtra, which replaces the 1-litre standard G variant previously, now comes with side skirts, chrome door handles, and is offered in ocean blue, a colour previously only available for the 1.3 Bezza models. The new variant retains the 1-litre VVTi engine producing 67 horsepower and 91 Nm of torque. It's paired to either a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic transmission. Inside, the dashboard and infotainment panel is now finished in piano black trims, while the steering wheel, aircon vents and gear lever is given a satin appearance. The door handles on the inside are now in chrome. On the safety front, the new variant is still offered with dual SRS airbags, ABS with electronic brake force distribution. Prices for the new 1-litre GXtra variant starts from 35,500 for the manual and 37,500 for the automatic. Both are almost 500 ringgit cheaper than the model it replaces. For more information on the Perodua Bezza GXtra, do log on to AutoBuzz.my.